There is so much that you can do with Claude Design. Everyone keeps showing you landing page designs, but I've been using Claude Design for the past few days, and landing pages are the least exciting part for me. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly what Claude Design can do. Claude Design can design literally anything at all, and I'll be pushing the limits to what Claude Design can really do. You also don't want to miss the sixth thing or the sixth feature that I'll be showing you in this video today. Many people don't use it, but if you know how to use it, it can literally unlock a whole lot for you when using Claude Design. To access Claude Design, go to claude.ai/design. And when you get to the interface, this is exactly what you see right now. Claude Design is currently in the beta version, so it could change tomorrow, but this is exactly how it looks like now. Start with the obvious one. I'm going to show you how Claude Design can build a landing page for you. One thing you notice from the interface right here is that it's not like a traditional, design tool. You don't have boxes or a canvas that you can drag and drop things into. Instead, when you're using Claude Design, like any AI tool, you have to use the prompt box. So in here, this is where you tell Claude what exactly you want to build. In our case, we'll be building a landing page. So I wanted to create a modern and premium SaaS landing page for Travely. So Travely is an AI-powered travel planning platform that helps users plan personalized trips in minutes. So I have all the features that I want this landing page to have, and I'm going to send it into Claude Design. Immediately, you see that Claude Design is going to ask you some questions. So it doesn't just jump into designing. It's asking you questions so you can get the exact details of how the landing page or any design should look like. So for my brand accent color, I'm going to pick this color. I'm going to pick my overall mood to be deep and premium. And in terms of the typography feel, I'm going to leave this as just a clean, sans typography. And if you have any other detail that you want Claude to include in this design or to think about when coming up with this design, you want to add it here, like tone of voice and the must-have features for this page. Then you send it into Claude, and Claude will spend a couple of minutes to actually create this design for you. Alright, so this took about 5 minutes for Claude to complete the design, and let's go through the landing page. So you have the headline here that says your whole trip planned in minutes, not weekends. I really like that. I like the color, the use of the color, the orange accent color. I like the layout of the landing page, right? The use of the images and even this tab kind of feel right here. We have, it really looks like a modern landing page, to be fair, because I have the logo section right here for more credibility. I like the use of cards right here to lay out all the features this Travely concept or idea should have. This is also a really nice feature right here from idea to itinerary. So all in all, going through the entire page, you can see that this is actually a modern design. So if you want to edit the design, all you need to do is click on markup and click on the particular thing and tell Claude what exactly you want to change. You can also drop comments and you can decide to edit anything at all on this page. If you want to see the page in full screen or in a new tab, you can always click on this and it will open the page to you. So this is exactly what you'll be seeing when you deploy this design or develop the design. So that is the first thing we're looking at today, landing pages. Claude Design can actually design a landing page for you in minutes. Now let's move on. Let's actually take this further and see what else Claude Design can create for us. So the next thing is wireframes. So if you're a designer out there, you know that a design doesn't just look good on the mockup, right? You have to start with a wireframe, and Claude Design can do this. This is literally one of my favorite features of Claude Design, creating wireframes. I have my prompt here and I'm saying that Claude should create a low fidelity wireframes for this mobile application. So you should create a wireframe for a mobile application for Travely. So I'm telling it to include the welcome page, sign up, home, trip planner, destination details, save trips, and a profile wireframe. So I'll send this in and see what Claude will come up with. So now I have my Travely wireframe designed for me in Claude. So I'm just going to zoom out and see what we can make out of this. So the first thing I can see is the entire journey. I have my welcome page, sign up, home, and all of this right here. So once a user clicks on get started, they get shown the sign up page, and now they can see, how they can start planning their trip. And this is so detailed. For me, creating a wireframe design like this in Claude is amazing because it can replace a tool like Balsamic that you probably already use for wireframing and prototyping. Alright, let's move on to the next thing that Claude Design can actually do for you, which is to build out a mobile app design for you. So we're going to do something really fun here. We're going to convert this wireframe to a mobile app design in just a few minutes. Still in this chart, I'm giving Claude a prompt that says transform these wireframes into a polished, high-fidelity mobile application. So all of this right here is the prompt I'm sending into Claude, and I'm going to wait for it to create a mobile app design. So after about 10 minutes, Claude finally created this mobile app design for us. And just imagine how long you would have spent if you have to create this by yourself or even hire a designer to create this from scratch. And we've just done all of this in just a few minutes. So let's explore this and see the features of this mobile app. This is the page that anyone that downloads your mobile app, the traveling mobile app, would have. And it's very similar to the wireframe that was created earlier, and for that I love it. I love the use of colors. I can still see my orange accent color, so that tells me that Claude Design still uses elements from the first landing page that we built. So let's take this for a spin. Let me see what happens when I click this get started button. So as you may have noticed, this is an interactive prototype. So this is one of the things I really love about Claude Design, the fact that it can help you actually build an interactive prototype. So the screens are no longer static, but you can actually interact with whatever you create to get a feel of the user experience on your application. So you can click on create an account, and then this is exactly what Alex or whoever user is gonna see when they log into your app. This looks like a standard application. If you ask me, it's very similar to applications like Airbnb, right, for travel. You can click on this to plan a trip, and you can also click on the save tabs to see all the saved trips that you have. The fact that Claude was able to come up with all of this in just a matter of minutes, right? An application that looks almost ready to be launched in an App Store or Play Store, really good. So let's move on to the fourth thing, which is presentation slides. So up until now, you've been building your product, you've created a landing page, you've built a wireframe, you've created a mobile app for your product. But the next thing is you likely want to pitch, your idea to investors. So for this, you need a presentation slide, a pitch deck, or whatever you call it. And Claude can help you with this. So let's take this for a spin. So I'm telling you to create a professional investor pitch deck for traveling. I'm also telling you all the slides that you should include. And finally, telling you to use a clean, modern presentation design suitable for VC investors. So I'll send this into Claude and see what you will come up with. So Claude is done, and I had to answer a few questions earlier in terms of the direction for my slide. But we have it here and we're ready to go present to investors. So this is the first page, and I can see that I have the title, which is clean and simple. I also have strong branding, and that's exactly what you expect when you're introducing a startup. So the next slide is the problem statement. So this is something every investor would want to understand. What pain are you actually solving? Quickly run through this. I have the solution. Do you see a screenshot of my mobile app design? That is just amazing. I have a nice graph right here. This is the final slide, which is the ask. It says raising $1.5 million to reach product market fit. Just amazing. One of the things I like about this pitch deck that Claude Design is the fact that it doesn't just come up with the design, but it actually comes up with a very reasonable flow. So it has done all the entire work for you, what should be included on each slide, the graphics, the images. And for me, this is where it thrives better than a tool like Canva that just gives you the design and you then have to come up with what to put on each slide. This is like the standard presentation that you want to have when you're pitching to any investor. At the bottom here, you see that for every slide, you have a speaker note. So this tells you exactly what to say when you're moving through your slides. So Claude has really solved a difficult problem out there when it comes to presentations. It's not just the design they're giving you the right story to accompany the design. Now to the next thing, which I want to show you that Claude Design can do, is a website redesign. Yeah, the website redesign. So maybe you have a website and you want to refresh it. You want it to look a bit different. Instead of starting from scratch, Claude can actually help you create a redesign for your website. So I have this website, which is my freelance coaching website. So it's called the freelancehq.com. So let's see how it looks like right now. Just gonna zoom in. So this is how it looks like right now. Not bad at all, but for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to show you how Claude can help you redesign any landing page or any website. So I'll go into Claude and I'm actually going to paste in this prompt that says redesign this website, which is this website I just showed you, while preserving its core content and messaging. So I'm telling you all the things that it should improve on, and I'm just going to send this into Claude. And voila, this is exactly what Claude has designed for us. And I think this is one of the most practical things that Claude Design can actually do. Maybe you don't want a complete redesign. Maybe you want a second opinion on a design. You can actually also upload your existing design right here, attach that the file, and tell Claude to redesign it for you. So let's look at all of this that it has done for us. Yeah, I love the fact that it kept the layout almost consistent, and it just refreshed the colors, the fonts, and all of that right there. Not bad at all, not bad at all. In terms of the navigation, I think it works well. So the final thing I want to show you, which is the sixth thing I told you not to miss, is a design system. So a design system literally helps your product to be consistent. So we built a landing page, a mobile application, we redesigned a site, and let's assume all of this are part of a singular product. You realize that if you don't have a design system, all these designs will look way different from each other. With a design system, you ensure that all the different parts, pages of your product all look the same. I go into details of how to actually connect your Figma design system to your Claude Design in another video. So you want to check that out, because I'll be covering exactly how to do that from scratch in that video. So tell me, which of these features really surprised you or impressed you about Claude Design? Put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. My name is Esther, and on this channel I teach you how to work smarter and faster using AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.